We are
students of the faculty
of chemistry. We will present Theorem of Stockes for Victor Algebra. Is the three-dimensional version of the green theorem. Realize the rotational surface integral of vector field line integral around the boundary of the surface. Interpretation of the line integral and three-dimensional.
The formula is the next. Is integral surface of a rotational vector field. S is a surface in 3D. Is integral line around the surface boundary. Root F is vector field. C is the border.
A linear integral in 3 dimensions. Let F represent a 3 dimensions vector field. Think that this vector field is the velocity vector of some gas which weighs through space. How large be some closed curve with this vector field? How do you interpret the F line integral around it? Well, first of all, this integral does not make sense until the curve is oriented the differential vector. It represents a thin strip of the curve, but in which direction? In 3 dimensions, you cannot simply say clockwise or counterclockwise, since that the y depends on where you are in space when you look at the curve. Later, we will deal with how the orientation in mathematically specific, but for now, it is easier to simply draw an orientation.
For example, this draw represents the theorem. Imagine that you are a bird that is flying through the space on curve C, while watching blows according to the vector file F. Think of each step or flutter of your movement on C as if you were the tiny vector dr. Consider the product point between dr and the vector of the wind span of the F field in which you are. It will be positive when the wind is helping you and negative when it hits in your face. New look again interacted. Why original ask you? You can think of this and adding of all as if for are annoying anti-winds ways during the flight into measures the tennis of the fluid to circulate around sea. It is if positive, the one was generally full, and you could say that it tends to circulate around sea in the direction of the specific orientation. At its negative, you could say that it tends to move to the other side. Thank you.